How to set up shipping option on Shopify. Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can integrate shipping option in your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to follow full video and you will find out step by step guideline how you going to do your Shopify store edit to associated shipping cost and shipping related things in your Shopify store. Simply you need to be click on setting option. Once you click here, you will locate to this place, and then you need to find out the option where is the shipping and delivery option. Just go in the left side and scroll down one by one, and you will find out shipping and delivery option below the customer account option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will move to another page, and that will be shipping and delivery. Once you move to this place or landed to this place, you have further option like shipping option. If you hover on the eye, you have the option to learn more about shipping option. Then you have shipping label option. Also you have expected delivery dates option and local delivery pickup in store, and further more option you will figure out in this place. So I will discuss each and every part one by one. Just keep patient and watch the video. First of all, we are going to work with this option shipping. So we need to be click on this here. Just click over here and you will get the option to make sure how you are going to make your shopping or shipping option. Here you have the option to make sure that you are going to shipping in your local country, or you are going to shipping your products in your out of the country, so like United States, United Kingdom, or you just want to work on your domestic level work like Bangladesh. So here I will click on this option. So when I will click on here, I will find out edit zone option. Just click over here again, and here you can see they already check out our option, so we can uncheck this. Or if you want to work on India or Pakistan, you just need to be search here India. If they give you the suggestion, it's really good. Sometimes they don't provide you the option for suggestion because of the reason that you are located in Bangladesh. That's why they already like automatically they set their option as a Bangladesh for local shipment. So you need to click here again, check the point, and then click on done. Once you click on here, you have option to set the rate. Here you can see that our rate is free, but I don't want to set my rate as a free. I just want to charge something like $2 or $5 between this. So I will click over here and I will delete the option. Once I click over here, they will give me a warning that no rates customer is this zone won't be able to complete checkout. So I need to be add a rate here. It is necessary. Just click over here. Once you click over here, the pop-up will come here, and you have the option to add rate. Like you have rate type, use flat rate, or you can use carrier or app to calculate rates. Like someone ordering a 1 kilogram of product, then it might be 10 or 20 euro. If someone order further more kg like 2 or 5 kg, then the price will be increase or decrease. This kind of thing you can set up for your store. So here I will choose only use flat rate. This is necessary for like clothing brand, watch, like other accessories. So I will choose this one. Then I will make sure that our shipping rate is custom, so we can edit on. And if you want to add something, the name might be, you can give a standard, or you can give me any label here. Then you have the option for custom delivery description. It is not necessary. You can ignore it or you can fulfill it. It's totally up to you. Then you need to have the price option. So here you need to be add a price. I will add a price that will be 100 taka. It means $1 as a dollar. So I will click on done. Once I click on done, you can see our standard rate has been evaluated here. So this is really easy process. Then we have the option for international delivery. So here again, just follow here, click over here, and you have the option for edit zone, or if you want to do it from scratch, you can delete it. It's totally up to you. I will do edit, so I will click on edit zone. Eventually we will get this kind of pop-up here, so I need to be click on here. You can see already some country, like many of them country has been selected, so I don't need to do anything here. Just for the views, I will change the zone name. It will be international, they already provide. So here you can edit, or here you can remove countries like Israel, Japan, Malaysia, or you can add countries from that place, or you can search further more country. Like you, if you found out something that some country is missing from that place, they did not check it, you can go and search here like Pakistan. They will give the option for Pakistan, then you can add it or check it, and it will be integrated with your shipping zone option. So this is really easy. Or you further more option has, that is add more countries. If you click over here, then you will have the option to add some countries from that place. It will be redirect you to the next place. So here you want to change here, you can do it, but I will not suggest you to go from that place. Just click over here and make it simple for you. Don't make it more tough or hard. Just click done, and you can change the rate from that place. You can add a new rate like this way. I already mentioned you in the video, so this is really easy. Just go over here and edit rate and just change the price. You can make it anything you want. It's totally up to you. Again, even here you have all the authority to do in this pop-up. So I think this is really simple way to change your shipping zones and add rate. So I hope you already understand how easy the process was. Then click on save. Once you click on the save, the general profile has been saved for you. Now you can see it, or your customer can view it. Like whenever some customer buy something from your store, they will get this kind of a view or interface for your shipping zone. Like some people from Bangladesh buy clothes from your store, they will charge $100 for per delivery per shipping. Or someone buy from international, they will charge $240 or any kind of thing. If you want to add it, that's really easy. I hope so you already understand. Then we have furthermore option for our shipping and delivery option. Here you can see we have shipping labels. So that is the thing, like let me describe you that buy labels with the lowest labels. It means manage your carriers to fulfill order faster. So it is not necessary for store, but you can use it if you want. So I will suggest you can explore it if you need it, or if you find out that this thing is necessary for you. Then you have expected delivery dates. This is really important. As a customer, I always wait for my product once I order something from a store. So here your customer can easily see that how much time it will be take to get my order to my hand. So this is, I will suggest you to make sure that your website always has this kind of features to customer lives can make so easy. So that's why I will edit this one. So shop promise. So I will click over here, and here you can see we don't have any install, so we need to be installed here. Once we click here, it will take a while, and then it will be installed in our page. Now you can see that our shop dot here already installed. So we need to go again in the setting. Once we visit in the setting and just click shipping and delivery. So now you can see that manual delivery dates you can include. So I will go with here, and then you can see manual deliveries are calculated adding shipping rates, transit time to your order promising time. So you can see it's really necessary for our store. Then second, we have local delivery. Like you only do business with your local people. Like you are from United States, you just want to sell your product throughout the United States, not other countries. So here you need to be set up here. Just click over here, set up, and change your location as your voice. So then you will have the option to do like whatever you want. So I will enable the option. Then you can see we have option here. We can change here our delivery, local delivery rate, our local delivery, all the thing. Although I think it is necessary for everyone, so you need to be changed as you wish. So after I will give 100, and also I will give 115. Then I will click save, and they are asking for the postal code. So like postal code is the thing that you are living in a country or in a city. All cities have a postal code. So paste your postal code as your city's address. So I hope you understand. Next thing is your local pickup. Just click on the save or discard, then go over here and again that pickup in store. Like your shop is located in United States, New York, and someone comes from delivery company to pick your product for the delivery, so they are finding your store where it is. If you set up your store address in here or location in here, they can easily reach to you by following the maps or other kind of address. So it is really easy, and it is the mandatory thing to, if you are willing to do business in online store ad. So this is mandatory. I will suggest you to make sure that you already set your pickup store. Or if you are selling only like a not physical product, like downloadable product, then you can ignore it, it's not necessary. Then you can customize your delivery, customize, you can explore it, like if you need or if you think this is important, then you can do a thing that will be packaged, like your package height and weight, how much it will be. Like you can see we have already make a default package. So here you can see that package name is sample box. It is on kind of a sample box, and our package type will be box. You can choose envelope, you can choose a shop package, you can length, give a length, you can give a width, you can give a height, you can do in inches and centimeter, then weight when empty, whatever you want, you have the authority to do it. And if you want to use further more option to make your website more friendly for your customer, then you need to be upgrade the plan. Then the thing is come here is packaging slip. It is really important. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will find out a slip template. Just preview the slip template and you will understand why I already told you that this is the important. So you can see our slip. I order a product and the quantity will be 1. When I will order, the product will be, this is our items. And now you can see this is delivery to, like I am mentioning that in this address my product will be delivered, and this is bill to, like it is my store location where my product is located and our employee has been work in this place. So this is the simplest thing. I hope you understand. Then you will find out the order number here, and you will find out the date. So it helps the store makes more grow, and it helps audiences to understand that how mature the company is. So it is really important. You can change here by using this template. So here you have the option, like if you want to add something to your this template, you can do it, like you have the option to do it. So it is really easy, and it is must be, like it is needed. So I hope you already understand what is really needed for your store and what is not necessary for a store. Eventually the result will become to us in the till the end, that if you want to add your shipping zone, you need to be think like your ones, where your business is located, how you are going to do your service. So when you will fix your goal, you can easily do whatever you want. So if you follow this video and whole guideline, you will understand how you can create your shipping address or shipping and delivery option. So this is really easy. I hope now you can easily do it for your store too. And now I am going to take a break from this video. I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.